Welcome back to Autoscope, the outside of a 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. Aggressive and aerodynamic, the Lamborghini Motorhome will have a very aerodynamic silhouette in contrast to traditional motorhomes, which are often boxy. Materials that are lightweight, despite its small, a lot of aluminum and carbon fiber are used to reduce weight for performance. Lambo or scissor doors, the motorhome's main door will open. Futuristic LED lighting, ultramodern headlamp and taillight designs that use full LED technology, perhaps incorporating the Lamborghini signature Y-shaped or hexagonal lighting pattern. Big and aggressive wheels, bold brake calipers, and extremely massive forged alloy wheels with intricate patterns. Inside, high-end and luxurious, the inside will be furnished with high-end materials including brushed aluminum, exposed carbon fiber, Alcantara leather, and possibly exotic leather accents, aircraft cockpit style with lots of buttons and digital displays. The helm area will be modeled after the cockpits of fighter planes. Advanced infotainment system with sizable, fully integrated touchscreen that manages every aspect of the RV, including lighting, climate control, entertainment, and navigation. Minimalist and Functional Kitchen, a compact kitchen featuring marble or light granite surfaces and high-end appliances that are possibly stowed away when not in use. Customizable Ambient Lighting, this type of LED lighting system lets residents alter the mood of the space. Premium audio system with sound system manufactured by a well-known audio manufacturer. High-performance plug-in hybrid or even all-electric BEV powertrain. Despite being a motorhome, it is probably driven by a high-performance hybrid electric powertrain, maybe inspired by the technology used in their sports cars. For optimal stability and traction in a range of driving conditions, use an all-wheel drive AWD system. Superior driver support features include lane keeping assistance, automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and extremely advanced automated parking systems. Using modern battery systems or fuel cell technology.